Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the homepage or the homepage URL and set a different URL in your Edge app on Android. So whenever you launch your Edge app, this is the first screen or the home screen that you will see. But if you want to load a website, say suppose browserhow.com or any other website for that matter, what you can do is you can just simply tap on these three bar options, and within that you can just go to settings, and within the settings go to general, and in the general if you scroll a little bit down you have this homepage section where it is set to new tab pages. Now if you want to open the browser how, what you can do is you can simply enter the website URL here, which I already copied, and then hit on save command, and it will save that particular page as a home page. Now if I completely close the Edge app and launch the Edge browser, it will load browserhow.com instead of the new tab which was loading earlier. So in this way you can customize the homepage URL or the start page screen on your Edge app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.